Hello, my dear family members. I hope all of you are preparing well for your upcoming Cognizant Aptitude round. So, first of all, congratulations to all of you who have just cleared the Cognizant communication round. So, I hope you must be prepared or being prepared for Aptitude round. So, let me share some experience of the latest type Cognizant Aptitude round. Okay. So, what happened in this round earlier? That is, they are asking mostly from quants question. Okay, they are asking questions from mainly quants. Okay, then game based aptitude. Okay, game based aptitude. So basically from quants they are asking profit and loss, okay, interest, then some yeah, analytical based questions. Okay, so these are very much important, work and time also at speed. Okay, so these are mainly important chapters from quants. And from game based aptitude, like as you know, game based pseudo and like sudoku and this type of questions they are asking in game based aptitude. So I'll be like uploading all the videos one by one. So if you are not following the playlist, then please follow that. And if you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please subscribe this so that you will get updated with the latest content. Okay. So let me share the first question so that it will be easier to understand. So the first question is from ratio, or you can say percentage. Okay, so in a certain month the total income of Adam, Bruce and Charles is 24,000. In that month Adam spent 75% of his income, Bruce spends 60% of his income, and Charles spends 72% of his income. Sum of the expenditure of all three that months is this. If the ratio of the amount saved by Adam, Bruce and Charles is this, then find the savings of Charles in the month. So like if you can solve the problem, then give the answer in the comment section. I'll love to give you a heart on that. Okay, so I can solve this problem using various methods. So let me share one way. Okay, so at first their total income, let's say a plus b plus c. Okay, a plus a plus b plus c is equal to 24,000. Okay, this is total income. Okay, Adam spends 75% of his income, Bruce spends 60% of his income, Charles spends 72% of his income. Okay, so expenditure their total expenditure is equal to this. Okay, 6,800. So let me tell it. D E plus F is equal to 16,800. So they are like this is total expenditure, this is total income. So income minus expenditure is equal to savings. So saving is equal to 24,000 minus 16,800. So this becomes like 200 and 3,000, 4,000. So 7,200. Okay, so 7,200 is equal to savings. Okay, so their savings ratio is 5:6:7. Okay, so let's assume that 5x, 6x, 7x the amount. Okay, the amount is 5x, 6x and 7x savings ratio. Okay, so 5x plus 6x plus 7x is equal to the savings amount, that is 7,200. Okay, so this was like total savings 5x, 6x, 7x. So this equals to the total savings obviously. So if like this becomes 6 plus 7 plus 5, 18x. Okay, so 18x is equal to 7,200 and the x becomes like 4. Okay, 400. So what should be the savings of Charles? That is 7x. Okay, 7x. So just multiply this value with 7. 7 multiply 400, that is 2,800. So this could be the right answer. Okay, so if you can challenge my answer, then challenge and be polite while challenging. Okay, so let me share the another process to solve this problem. So if you don't require the other type of solutions, then you can skip this. Okay, so next type of solution will be like so their total income is A plus B plus C is equal to 24,000. Okay, so their savings also given, so we can use that data. Okay, so let's say the total income amount for one person is 1. Okay, so 1 minus 0.75 for Adam A. So this is total income and this is total savings. Okay, this is total savings plus for B, that is Bruce, 1 minus 0.60. Okay, 1 minus 0.60 B plus for Charles, this is 1 minus 0.1 minus 0.72 C is equal to total expenditure. Okay, total expenditure value, that is 16,800. So you can just like calculate this value. You can calculate the value, you can evaluate the value of A plus A, B, C from these two equations. This is first equation and this is second equation. So you can evaluate the value of A, B and C, and you can get the like savings of Charles in this month. Okay, so this can be a like bigger approach, so better don't follow this approach. Okay, so follow the earlier approach which I have shown you the firstly. Okay, so let me go to the next question. So the next question is this: Veer can row 36 km in 3 hours in still water. If the speed of the stream is 8 km per hour, he would take 9 hours to cover a round trip journey. Find the total distance covered by him in this trip. Okay, so before I show you the answer, I want to highlight our prime materials, in which I have included all the recent quants question, aptitude, then mock test, technical questions, coding questions, and game based aptitude as well. Okay, so if you want like all the recent questions, previous year questions with answers, then just use our UPI ID given in the description box, that is rwajeda@oksbi. Okay, and pay 69 rupees, then send me the screenshot at our Instagram ID, instagram.com/tekno.ef. I'll provide you the materials, okay, at your email ID. So guys, this is very much affordable. This cost lesser than one burger amount. Okay, so I hope you guys consider, and like for this case, for this round, like for this slot, I think the technical questions will not be there, but still this will be very much helpful for you. Okay, so let me answer the question. So at first let me just calculate the like speed at still water. So we can row 36 km in 3 hours in still water. So speed at still water is equal to 36, that is the distance by time. So this is equal to 12 km per hour. Okay, 12 km per hour, this is the speed at still water. Okay, so the speed of the stream is 8 km per hour. So what will be the speed at downstream and what will be the speed at upstream? So the formula is like for upstream B minus R, and for downstream B plus R. Okay, so B is the speed at still water and R is the like speed of the stream. Okay, so speed at downstream is equal to B plus R, that is 12 plus the stream speed. Okay, that is 8. So this becomes 20 km per hour. Okay, and speed at upstream is equal to 12, that is B minus R. So R is 8, so that is 4. Okay, so 4 km per hour. It is also told that he would take 9 hours to cover a round trip journey. Okay, so we have to evaluate the distance covered by him. Okay, so let's say for one side, this is another side. So for one side, the time, so the distance is D. Okay, one side distance is D. So total time taken for going and coming for one full round, that is 9 hours. Okay, so for upstream, the time taking is distance by, sorry, dy, for upstream d by 4, and for downstream d by 20. Okay, so this equal 9. Okay, so I hope you understood. So if we calculate this, then this becomes 6d is equal to 9 into 20, that is 180. So d is equal to 30. Okay, so for one side the distance will be 30 kilometer, but for full round the distance will be 30 into 2, that is 60 kilometer. So this is the confusion. After getting 30, the students tick on this, but this is the right answer. So this is for confusion. 60 will be the right answer. So I hope you guys understood. So if you understood, then please like this video, subscribe this if you have not already, and also share this content with your friend. So let me go to the next question, that is, two numbers are in the ratio 13 is to 11. If the difference of the number is 8, then find the larger of the two numbers. Okay, so 44, 66, 52 or 42, what will be the correct answer? So give me the answer in the comment section if you can. I hope you have already given the answer. Let's cross verify if you are right or not, guys. This is the previous year question. This is a question from the last month. Okay, sorry, last month, not previous year, last month. So you can be asked very easy question, also you can be asked moderate type questions. Okay, many of the guys who were eliminated in this round were because of the analytical reasoning questions, analytical aptitude questions. Okay, so be prepared for all. Okay, so the two numbers are in the ratio this and difference is 8. So this is very easy question. So let me answer this. So 13 is to 11. So let's assume that one number is 13x and another number is 11x. Okay, so the difference is mentioned, that is 8. Okay, so 13x minus 11x is equal to 8. So the you have to find the larger of the two numbers. So just evaluate the value of x, 13x minus 11x, 2x. So x is equal to 8 by 2, that is 4. Okay, so x is equal to 4. So the bigger number, the larger number is 13x, that is 52, and the smaller number is 11 into x, that is 44. So this is obvious, 52 is the largest number. So 52 will be the correct answer. Sorry, 52 will be the correct answer. So let me go to the next question, that is this. So this will be a quiz question for you. So 24 men or 36 women or 60 boys can do a piece of work in 10 days by working 8 hours a day to do another piece of work which is 100% more in 5 days. 18 women, 20 boys, and some men had a work for 6 hours per day. What is the number of men employed? Okay, so this will be a quiz question for you guys. Please pause the video and give me the answer in the comment section. Okay, so let me show you the next question, that is this. In the following figure, this is the figure, and you are given angle ADB is equal to 28 degrees. Angle CBD is equal to 36 degree. CBD is equal to 36 degree. Find the value of angle COD. Okay, so you have to find the value of this. So what will be the correct answer? So let me just show you one quick method to solve the problem. You can solve this problem using various methods, various lengthy way, but let me show you the quick trick. That is, let's say this is a 180 degree. Okay, let me draw a perpendicular on it. Okay, so let's say this is the, sorry, let me just redo this. Sorry. Yeah. So let me just draw one perpendicular on it. Okay. So let's say this is perpendicular. Okay. Uh, if this is 90 degree, if this is 90 degree, then then this must be lesser than 90 degree. Okay, this must be lesser than 90 degree. This is the logic. Okay, so the degree, the angle which is lesser than 90 degree will be the answer. Okay, so this is the correct answer. So as you can see, this can be 45 degree, so this must be greater than 45 degree. So I hope you guys understood what I am trying to convey to you. Okay, so you can solve this problem using just your sense of humor, using your sense of humor. Okay, so just draw a perpendicular and you can see the difference. Okay, so maybe I am wrong with the perpendicular. Okay, so it's fine. So the perpendicular is 90 degree. Okay, sorry, the angle is 90 degree, and this must be lesser than 90 degree. Okay, so I hope you understood. So let me show you the next question. So in this case, the correct answer will be 64 degree. So the next question is this. Devi buys a handbag for 140, okay, $140 and sells it at loss of 15%. What is the selling price of the handbag? Guys, as you have been observing that the questions like being asked from which sections, that is, at first the question was were asked from ratio or let's say percentage. Okay, then the question asked from speed. Okay, then ratio again. Okay, then question asked from time and work. Okay, then from like yeah, then yeah, from trigonometry also there will be some questions, from geometry will be some questions, and the probability of this like 1 1. Okay, so here you can see this is from profit and loss. So Devi buys a handbag for $140 and sells at loss of 15%. So let us just calculate the loss amount. So if $140 is the total like total price is $140. If she losses at 50%. Okay, so that means loss value will be 140 into 15 by 100. Okay, so 0 0 10 to 21. Okay, so total loss amount will be 21. Okay, so the total like buying price is equal to 140, total loss is equal to 21. So her loss was 15%, so selling price will be 140 minus 21. So this is equal to 119. So $119 will be the correct answer. Okay, so I hope you guys understood. So if you understood, again I am recommending you to have the prime materials, in which I have included all the latest questions with answers. So I hope you will guys give importance. Okay, so let me share the last question, which is a quick question for you. Okay, so Garfield and Gwen enter into a partnership by investing $500 and $200 respectively. At the end of 1 year, they divided their profits such that a third of the profit is divided equally for the efforts they have put into the business, and the remaining profit is divided into the ratio of the investment they made in the business. If Garfield received 600 more than Gwyn did, what was the total profit made by them in that year? So I am waiting for your response, guys. Please give the answer in the comment section. What will be your correct response? Okay, so let me share one game based aptitude question. So let's say what type of game based aptitude you will be asked. So let me share one type of game based aptitude. Okay, So there will be some circle. Okay, there will be some circle. This is one type of game based aptitude. There will be numerous type of game based aptitude. You will be like given game based aptitude until or unless you get failed, your time get exhausted. Okay, so this is one type of game based aptitude. So let's say at first the time count start from 0. Okay, your time is let's say for this round is 5 minutes. Okay, so at first one circle will be highlighted. Okay, let's say this highlighted. Okay, this is highlighted, then this is highlighted. Okay, this is highlighted, then this is highlighted. Okay, so then you will be given again the phrase circles. You will be given the phrase circles, then you have to just circle, you have to click the circles periodically. Like at the first they have highlighted this one. Okay, they have highlighted this one, so you have to highlight this. Then they have highlighted this one, so you have to highlight this. Then they have highlighted this one, so you have to highlight this. This way you have to click or you have to highlight. Okay, like you have to maintain the number order. Okay, so this is first, this is second, this is third, this way, and this is the like easy level. Like then they will give you a harder level questions, then like from here, 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 here. So this way they can give you the game based aptitude questions. Okay, so I hope you guys understood. So if you understood and if you like this video and if you like these contents, then please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding any company that you want, and please share this content with your friend so that they can also take help from this and get the job together. And at the end again, I'm requesting, if you want the prime materials, in which I have included all the quants questions with answers. Okay, all the game based aptitude, okay, and all the technical questions, mock test. This will be very much important for your upcoming round. If you are sitting for any role, these materials will be helpful for you. Okay, so I hope you will guys consider it, and you will don't forget to use the EPI ID given in the description box. Okay, so thank you for today's session.